How to delete Lyft account. Let's get started. Launch your Lyft app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find three bars. Click on that. Navigate to the option of help. Over here, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of profile and account. Now head over to the option of edit profile or account. Now click on the option of delete my account. If you request to delete your Lyft data, they will delete your account and information to extent required by applicable law. In order to delete your account, click on this option of how to delete your Lyft account. Now what you have to do is click on this option of delete my account. Then you have to log into your account using the credentials. Once logged in, you can choose the download your data or delete your account option. Tap start on the delete account section. Select the reason for your account deletion request. Confirm your request by entering delete into the text box. Once you select delete account, the request cannot be undone. So this way you can easily delete your Lyft account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.